The chicken tractor's basically done. I have everything closed in. I need to buy another piece of roof, but that's not nothing that I can't do later. I don't want to put too much on my account. Anyway, it's all done. It's got all the places closed in. It's ready to go, painted and everything. So, all we need to do is put an axle right here. Alright. Well, there you have it. I got it on there. I gotta go find a nut to fit that bolt. And it really sticks out, but I want to have room in case I want to put a wider tire on it. Thinking about putting a tractor tire on it from a lawn tractor. There you have it. Sorry I didn't show that part. Thanks for watching. I didn't get my bicycle on here yet, but we managed to get it off of the patio slab, concrete slab. And the chickens, I think they like their new house. I'm pretty sure they do. They're eating grass, see them? They like grass. That's one of their favorite foods, and they couldn't get any before unless I pulled some and put in there for them. But they'll be eating that grass. They're on it. They're on the grass. They like that. Just eating grass. Yummy. Oh, we've never had grass before. We happy chickens. I got 5 little hens. They're pretty big now. They're all laying eggs. And it's the first time in their chicken tractor. They're really on that grass. Okay. This is my donor bike. I'm going to chop that off there. About back where the seat post is. Little Huffy. Looks like a good one for that. Put it on the front of that. It's real hard to move without it. I can guarantee you that. I got to try to somehow lift up on it, and somebody's got to push. When a bike gets on there, it makes it a lot easier. I can just pull the bike. Alright, thanks y'all for watching. Chickens are moved out of their little ammo box. It's empty. No chickens in here. I moved them over to chicken tractor. Can't wait to get my bike on the front. That thing there's tearing up my wood, that dolly. It's not working good at all. But I'll get it soon. But they just love that thing. Get me another piece of roofing and put on there. Put my bike on there. All will be well with the little hens. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all.